Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to install and remove the ball bar. Okay, remove the plug from the receiver. The ball bar is usually in the unlock position when it is removed from the boot of the vehicle. This is the case if there is a visible gap of approx 5 millimeters between the handwheel and the ball bar, and the red marking on the handwheel is aligned with the green marking on the ball bar. Please note that the ball bar can only be inserted in this state if the locking mechanism of the ball bar has, for some reason, been disengaged before installation. The ball bar is in the locked position. The mechanism has to be pre-tangent. The locked position is easily identifiable as the green marking on the handwheel is aligned with the green marking on the ball bar, and there is no gap between the handwheel and the ball bar. Let's go. Insert the key and open the lock. Extract the handwheel in the direction right and turn it until the limit stop. It's the direction of down. The release ball is pre-tangent, and after the handwheel is released, the locking mechanism remains in the pre-tangent position. The release level is engaged, and after the handwheel is released, the locking mechanism remains in the pre-tangent position. Install the bar together with the stop pin by inserting and pushing both into the receiver. The locking operation is performed automatically in one way. Always keep hands away from the handwheel because it rotates during the locking process. Close the lock and always remove the key. The key cannot be withdrawn if the lock is open. Press the cover onto the lock. Now remove of the ball bar. Pull the cover off the lock and press it onto the handle of the key. Open the lock with the key. Hold the ball bar. Extract the handwheel in the direction position up and turn it until the limit stop it by the rotation right, I think. In order to unlock the extracted position, remove the ball bar from the receiver. The handwheel can be released automatically and engage the unlock position. Easy as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time.